Okay. Professor Sam Baba Tende, as many people do not really know much about Prof like I do because I've been working with him for almost 70 years now. If I could recall, I know I started working with Prof since 2017. As at that time, he was HOD of Department of Business Administration at Pianco campus there. A friend of mine introduced to him. He employed me to come and be secretary under him. You know, at that time, I was just studying computer science at Federal Poly then. And Prof told me that, Kunle, if you work with me, being a graduate will not be your problem. And apart from being a graduate, you will not, I will not be able to, he said you may not be able to give me big money, but I will not lack money to take care of myself. And after I finished my diploma, Prof said I should go and get my BSc form. I recall that time when I get the I wrote jump because I didn't enter through the. When I wrote jump, Prof took my admission letter, my result, and took it to FISI that time, and he secured admission for me to study BSc. You know, when I started studying the BSc that time, I could recall that almost every day when we go to work, Prof will always say they should cook food from his house and bring it to office for a lot of people that are there, either visitor or friend. If you bought mineral, soft drink, water, put it inside fridge, everybody will come. And I was the secretary then. If I say, these things are not made for everybody, Prof will say, just give them. Let everybody take. At that time when I go to his house, in the sitting room like this, you will see bread, mineral, everything. You just go there, go and eat whatever you want to eat. In the afternoon, they will still prepare food for you. And that's how we were doing till we left Piampo that time. When we came to the main campus, I think that was around 2011 or 2012. And I was still another graduate student there. Almost every week like this, Prof will give me pocket money for weekend. And at the end of the month, you still give me my salary. And every time Prof gives you an assignment to do, Prof will always give you something. Doesn't matter whether he has paid you once before or he's going to pay you at the end of the month. Prof will still give you something for doing the work he asked you to do. And Prof is a kind of person that if anybody comes to meet, it doesn't matter whether he knows you or he doesn't know you. Once you come to him and tell him that, Prof, this is my problem, Prof will put hand inside the pocket and give you money. Sometimes you say, Kunle, go and give Kunle letter for application for loan. You know what? When the student come like that and give me letter that they need loan of maybe 10,000 naira and they need so of 20,000 naira for so. At the end of the day, they will collect the money. They will not come back again. If I tell Prof that these people you are giving money, they don't come back again. They just collect the money and go. He will say, don't worry. He knows. He is not giving them because he wants them to come back to repay the money. He gives them because they need it. And he is in position to do it. So doing it is a joy for him. And that is the kind of person the Prof is. If anybody come to him with any assistance, either in terms of the academic what have you, or financial resources, Prof will always make sure that he solve the problem the little he can do. He never turn anybody down. No matter how the problem is big, Prof will never shout out anybody that come to him that, whoa, what do you want? Don't disturb me. No, Prof will never do that. And Prof is a kind of person that if you see anybody that come to him, whether you are small or big, the way Prof address you, you even be wondering that, what is happening? This is an elderly man. How can he be so humble and respectful like this? The kind of humility he has, in fact, I've never seen anybody like him. When I finished my BSc, Prof said, Kunle, go and collect your MSc. I said, Prof, I don't have enough money now. He said, you don't need money, just go and collect. And that's how I collected the MSc. And he was running through, surpass everything till I finished the MSc. You know, immediately I finished my MSc. Prof said, once you have done the MSc, you don't need to wait again. What are you waiting for again? If you have not done MSc, it is better. But now that you are now an MSc student, the next thing is to collect your PhD. And that's what I did. You know, it's just unfortunate that I'm a little bit not too taking the PhD serious to finish it when he was still alive. Because otherwise I would have been a graduate by now. Prof has been my father since when I know him. He has been my mentor. No, I always call him Oga. He was my Oga. He is a kind of person that always want to put you in the right way. Always make sure that you do not deviate from the right path. And you know, Prof always said that he doesn't need anything in this life. He said he did not need anything. All he needs in this life is the number of people that is able to touch when he's alive. But to say, I know sometimes I will say, Prof, you too, just buy Jeep, buy correct Mercedes Benz. You should ride the kind of car many people are riding. Your colleague, the small colleague, junior colleague, your mate, I say he doesn't need them. He said he didn't need them. What he needs is the kingdom of God. Now, the number of people is able to touch in this life, that is what is matter to him. Now, all those things, they will not matter when he die. Not even know that. He will soon go. But we thank God. Because since when Prof died, many people have come and said a lot about him. Many that I did not even know, despite the fact that I was very close to him. And many that I know have said a lot about him. He is a kind of person that people will never forget. Not just because he was a lecturer, it's because he was able to touch the life of many people in a positive way. And my prayer is that by the grace of God, the family he left behind will be able to reap the benefit of what he has done when he was alive. Because Prof has done a lot of things for many people. Many people. And I pray that he will rest in eternal peace. Thank you.